New YouTubers gather, gather here. We have new trick for getting 1,000 subscribers. Okay. Hi everybody, welcome on this channel. My name is AIDAHT from Uganda and you're watching AIDAHT 256. Everyone, I just wanted to share with you in today's video. I want to share this trick that I use to get more subscribers than usual, because as you can see guys, sorry I forgot to screenshot before I deleted this video. But guys, I just want you to try it out, and if you are interested, please stay and watch this video to the end. So guys, before I start, I appreciate this lady. I'm gonna pin her channel here because I was scrolling and that's when I find this trick. New YouTubers, gather here, all you new YouTubers. So when I was scrolling 2 days back, I was scrolling, that was Friday because today is Sunday. I was scrolling, I found this lady because her channel is about growth. She's teaching about growth. Okay, so I find this channel and I was like, okay, let me just watch this video. I was bored. Then she was teaching about how you can get more subscribers just in few days. So I was interested since my subscribers was only 400 something. So I watched and she said, and she was recommending this channel. Okay, she said, if you go to this channel and you subscribe and you like, then you are free to pick one of the video there and you duet it. But after duetting that video, you will see the magic on your channel. And I was like, what? So I was interested. As you know, if you don't have subscribers, you know how it feels to get 1 subscribers each. Every day 1 subscriber. So you know what, you know that. So I was like, okay, I will try. After watching her video, I went to this channel. I searched this name. After searching this name, I got 1 video, I subscribed, I liked that video and I duetted it. After I duetted it, I posted it. It was Friday evening. Really, I forgot to screenshot, but before I had 482 subscribers, not even 500. So after duetting this video, this is what I got, and it is still growing. They are still subscribing just for 1 video, and it is just a short. Can you imagine? So guys, if you're interested, try it out. Go to this channel, subscribe and like. After that, duet one of the video, anyone that you want. You duet it and then you post it and let the magic work. Okay, I couldn't believe it guys also, because I was like, when I woke up the other day, it was Saturday, I found it was already 600 something, and today when I wake up, it was already 872, 73 subscribers. Can you believe that? It is really a magic. So since I'm a new YouTuber, and guys, I care about you. I know we are here to stay, we are here to grow, we are here to fight for watching hours. So let's try each and everything that we see that it can work for us. Okay, so please, if you're new here, subscribe on this channel, like and comment, and don't forget to tell me where exactly you're watching from. And I love you guys. I can't wait for the feedback. Okay, if you get something, if this trick works for you, please come back on this channel and tell others that it really worked, because even me, I went there to this lady and I told everyone that it was really working. Okay, so guys, don't be mean to each other. Try to go there, do something, okay? It's not a big deal. Do something. At least if you do it one and it is not working, try to do another duet, okay? It's just shorts. Thank you guys for watching. I love you. Bye.